In the industrial landscape, data was once locked in silos, and efficiency hit its ceiling. Now, AI is unlocking the boundless potential of industrial intelligence. Introducing AgentiCenter, the digital core powering industrial AI agents, built on a unified data foundation. Intelligent agents are created effortlessly with drag and drops, making AI applications truly accessible. Intelligent data parsing. With intelligent drawing recognition and precise table parsing, dormant data is reactivated and transformed into high-value assets that drive industrial intelligence. Intelligent instrument design. In instrument design, inefficiency fades away, efficiency surging by over 90%. Rules and data work in perfect synergy, ensuring precision in every detail. AI-powered digital handover. Cross-organizational and multi-format data integrates at one click, freeing over 90% of manual effort for smarter, faster outcomes. Automated document review. For document reviews, AI delivers sharp, unwavering accuracy, automating up to 95% of manual work, keeping compliance and precision in check. AI Business Assistant. Business experts can build their own intelligent advisors, ready to answer anytime, anywhere. Legacy data revitalization. In drawing reconstruction, time is cut by 3/4. Revitalizing legacy data to fuel intelligent operations and upgrades. Process bottleneck analysis. Integrated with the TPT time series model, AI drives optimal decisions. From risk assessment to facility optimization, intelligence is woven into every step. From design to handover, from construction to operations and maintenance. Turn complexity into clarity and efficiency into breakthroughs.